Yan tayo eh. Ito na naman tayo eh. Okay. So, reason bakit tumaas yung monthly amortization. By the way guys, I'm Mark Tan, your advocate agent. So, sa video na to is let's talk about bakit nga ba tumataas yung monthly amortization after 5 years or 3 years. Okay? So, one reason dito is because yung fixing rate. So kung mapapansin nyo, pinag-uusapan yan madalas kapag nagdi-disclose tayo sa loan. So sinasabi ni agent or ni representative ng bangko na, Sir, the interest rate is 6.25 for 3 years fixing rate. Okay? So ano nga ba talaga to? So bakit nga ba siya nakaka-apekto dun sa monthly amortization natin? Okay? Example, so, let's say for example, you have a 2 million loan, diba? So, sabi, meron daw 6.25 na interest rate for 5 years fixing rate. Fixing interest rate for 5 years. So, meaning to say, for that 5 years, 6.25 yung interest ng loan mo. However, after nun, maaari na itong tumaas or bumaba. Again, magkakaroon naman na ng panibagong recomputation sa loan mo and then magkakaroon naman ng panibagong fixing rate. Yun yung isang dahilan kung bakit tumataas yung monthly or kapag sinuwerte ka, bumababa yung monthly amount. If you still want to have this kind of tips and help question, so please follow and share para mas marami tayong mga matulungan na kababayan natin. Okay? Bye-bye.